Hello everyone, I'm Akino and this is Alex. It's finally arrived. This is my first cookbook and I've been waiting for so long. So let's open it. Alex, be careful. Yeah. Ooh. Wow. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Actually, Alex is in here. Let me show you. You're here, Alex. Alex. ここだよ、ここだよ。I'm so happy to share this moment with you. Thank you so much for your support. And I hope you get one for yourself and for your loved ones. I hope this cookbook will change the way you cook. This book is all about simple Japanese home cooking, just as I always share with you. It includes clear steps, pantry staples, and little techniques that will help you cook Japanese dishes with confidence. It also includes my personal stories and share the Japanese traditions and culture behind the food. I hope this book becomes a trusted companion and reference for your everyday home cooking. You'll spot Alex here and there throughout the book. He's in charge of the QR codes, which will take you to extra recipes, helpful tips, and variations online. Find the link for pre-order in the description. Thank you so much.